Hello everybody and welcome back. I have Mac the Mechanic with me, and he's about to do the pre-race checks on Lightning because Lightning is about to use his ultrasonic sensor, which is these things here. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to make some sort of a program that can communicate with Lightning so we can see what he's seeing. So what we'll do is we'll go over here and we'll create the variables. You make a variable. I'm going to call it distance. Okay. Now you notice that when I did that, this display showed up in this check mark. Now if I take the check mark off, the display doesn't display. This is what we call a watch variable, and this will change, and we can watch it change as it goes. Well, how do we do that? Well, we'll start with an event. Okay, we are in live mode, so we can use the green flag. By the way, if you want to do this yourself, you need to download the basic program using settings, and then once you do that, you can sit there and start with when the green flag is clicked. Let's go back to variable. You want to set the distance to 0 because you always want it. This is called initializing your variables. Okay, now for control, we want to have an event loop because we want to just keep on doing this until we make it stop. Okay, so and what we want to do is go back to variable, and we want to set the distance to whatever the sensor is reading. So we go over to the sensor, and here we go. Well, make sure it hits there first. Okay, we'll see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Let's hit. Okay, let's see what's it picking up on. Oh, there we go. Okay, I took the remote away. It said 400. This should say about, okay, that's about 40-50 centimeters. It comes all the way up to here. Now it's kind of hard to tell, but it actually starts bouncing around quite a bit when you get less than 3 centimeters. That's why I say you can't rely on anything less than 3 centimeters, because the problem is that the echoes sometimes don't hit back. You notice I've got it covered up and it's 0, but it's saying it's 400. It's saying 400 because it's not getting the ping back. It's not getting the ping back because both of them are blocked. Okay, so we sit there, and it says it's to the nearest hundredth of a centimeter, which would be a tenth of a millimeter. I kind of doubt that myself, but it looks like his ultrasonic sensor is all systems go, and he's ready to race. Well, and let's see what happens. We'll talk to you later.